Hello everyone, today I am going to show you what is Azure Update Management. So Update Management, it's a service which is used for performing operating system updates on your Windows or Linux machine. So Update Management can update machines on your Azure portal or the non-Azure machines. So let's go to the portal now. I'm on the page. This is my VM test VM1. So the first step is to enable update management. Then I'll show you how to perform Windows updates. So before we install update management, let's see what extensions we have installed on this VM. So as we can see, right now we have three extensions: the disk encryption, enable VM access, and insight. So now my VM, I look for updates, and then it shows me guest and host updates. So here I have a button, go to update management. Let's click on it. Okay, so I'm on the page where I can enable update management. So here it says this service requires a log analytics workspace and an automation account. You can use your existing workspace and account, or let us configure the nearest workspace and account for you. So my virtual machine, which is test VM1, is in South India. So it has automatically chosen Central India as the location for log analytics. And in Central India location, I already have one log analytics. It has taken its name. My subscription name, that's the only one. So it has chosen that. And then it has chosen the automation account. So now let's go ahead and click on enable. It might take about a minute or so. So let's wait. Okay, I'm on my VM. So earlier we saw the extension. Now let's once again have a look at the extension. So before we enabled update management, we had only three extensions. Now we have another one added, Microsoft Monitoring Agent. So this is the one which is installed on your virtual machine that performs Windows updates inside the virtual machine. Now let's go back to update management. So I search for update and it shows me guest and host updates. So let's click on it. Let's go to update management. So what do we see now? I see for this machine it shows me missing updates. I have 4. So I have security updates, I have 4 type of different updates. So now let me show you how do I apply this update. So to do that, I click on deploy schedules. I click on schedule update deployment. Let me give it a name. So today's date is 12th June and my VM name is test VM. So update classification, all Windows update are classified into 8 different categories. So if I want to perform any specific update, let's say we are configuring only critical updates, so I select that. So let's say if I am choosing only definition update, so I select that. So just to show you, for now I'm selecting definition update and include exclude update. So let's go back to previous page for a second. So these were the list of 4 updates. So every update will have a KB number. So let's say if we want to exclude this, so we copy the number and exclude. I mentioned this KB has to be excluded. June. now I'm performing only updates, nothing else. Yes, that's right. So even if I choose critical, it won't be performed because I have already excluded it. So maintenance window, I have given it for 2 hours. Let's say we have plenty of updates to be performed. So if we have given a window of 120 minutes, whatever updates it could perform in the time window, it will perform those, and after that it will abort. And you may be performing update once in a month or once in 2-3 months, and maybe you want to perform a reboot also. So here itself it gives you an option, so always reboot or never reboot. So let's reboot, let's use always reboot. I click on, okay, I'm so sorry. So under schedule settings, it allows me to choose the time. Right now it's 1:50. So let's say I'm choosing, my current location is India. So let's select India, and the time I'm choosing is 1:55. Remember, there should be a gap of at least 5 minutes, otherwise it won't let you enable it. Start time failed. Okay, let's change it to 56. Now it's allowing me. I click on OK. I click on create. Click on create. So creating a schedule. So 13th June test VM. Next one. So this has been scheduled. So let's pause the video now. So I'll resume this video tomorrow once this is completed to show you what was the next page. And we are back. So yesterday we had scheduled the deployment, and when the deployment is running, we can check the status in the history. If it is currently in progress, it shows in progress here. Once it is done, it shows succeeded. So when I click on my patch details, it tells me how many updates are applied. So first one was not selected, second one was succeeded, and third one also succeeded. So if you are looking into the details of it, what time it started, what time it ended, what time it rebooted the server, we can click on all logs. And here we have details of every minute. So what time did we schedule it, what time the first patch got over, what time the second patch got over, and what time it started, starting Windows update to run, starting to scan for updates, reboot required, ending update run, machine is already rebooted. So our Windows update on my test VM1 has completed. And one more thing to remember, there are few changes to be done on your virtual machine. So by default, when you check the Windows update setting on your virtual machine, maybe the setting is configured for automatic. So go to your command prompt, type sconfig. So here it shows Windows update setting is currently set to automatic. This is irrespective of what settings you have in Azure Portal. So if you plan to update your portal from, if you plan to update your Windows patches from Azure Portal, you will have to disable it inside Windows. So how do we do that? We select number 5 for Windows update setting, and then we have manual updates M. So it is applying the settings. Set to manual. System will never check for updates, but what we are doing, we are enforcing the updates from Azure Portal. So let's close it out. So this was a quick video on Azure Update Management and how you perform Windows update from Azure Portal. If you found this video useful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching.